Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to edit text files with Google Drive. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you need to quickly edit a text file, but don't have the right software installed on your computer? Or maybe you're on the go and only have access to a web browser. This is where Google Drive comes in handy. It's a versatile tool that not only stores your files, but also lets you edit them without needing any additional applications. In this video, we'll walk through the steps to easily edit text files using Google Drive, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. First things first, let's navigate over to Google Drive. Open up your preferred web browser and type in drive.google.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main interface known as My Drive. This is your personal digital storage space where all your files are kept, ranging from documents to images and much more. Think of it as your virtual filing cabinet for all things Google related. Now, let's locate the text file you want to edit. If you've organized your drive into folders, it might be quicker to use the search bar at the top. Simply type in the name of your file, and you should be able to find it in no time. Once you've located the file, right-click on it. This action will open a context menu offering a variety of options. Carefully move your cursor over the option labeled Open With. As you do this, a submenu will expand, revealing different applications you can use to open and edit your file. From the expanded menu, select Google Docs. Google Docs is a powerful and user-friendly text editor within the Google Workspace suite. When you click on it, your text file will be converted into a Google document. This conversion allows you to make edits easily, and the document will open seamlessly in a new tab, maintaining all your content intact and ready for editing. Inside Google Docs, you have the freedom to edit your text file as much as you need. You can add or remove text, adjust formatting, or even collaborate in real time with others by sharing the document. One of the best features of Google Docs is its autosave function, so you never have to worry about losing your work. If you ever wish to revert to a previous version, simply check the version history under the File menu to see all the edits made. Editing text files within Google Drive using Google Docs is not only convenient, but also highly efficient. Whether you're handling a personal project or collaborating with a team, these steps can significantly streamline your workflow. It's also worth noting that Google Docs supports a variety of text file formats. So whether you have a TXT, DOCX, or even a PDF, this tool can often meet your editing needs. And once your document reaches its final version, you can easily download it in your preferred format. Just head to the File menu, select Download, and choose the file type you want. And there you have it, a straightforward yet effective way to edit text files directly within Google Drive. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to edit text files with Google Drive. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe PMN Online so you never miss an update.